Okay, good morning class. It will be a girlfriend, that curtain is. Okay, so after the lesson was wasted on because of load shedding, but not completely wasted. Was not recorded. Alright, but anyway, we used different sums there. So at this point I gave you a homework dealing with algebraic expressions. No? We were doing addition and subtraction. Correct? So with that I gave you, I think it was the first 9 sums I asked you to do for homework. Not so? And we did the 1 to 4. Okay, I asked you to redo 1 to 4. Also to the group I sent a video explaining this exercise again, but many of you didn't even open it or look at it. Okay. At the end of the day, people, this education is in your own hands. When you get your final result in grade 12 and you have done maths, there doesn't stand you got 20% for maths and Mr. Bardin was your teacher. No. It's just your name, your ID number, and your maths result. Okay? So if you want a good result on your report, you must put the time in. This is not a subject where you can figure out in the exam. Okay? This takes a lot of work, a lot of practice, and it doesn't come easy. Okay? You must practice a lot. But I don't see that in most of you. Okay? But that's it. So the first answer we worked through yesterday, and that was 5x. Okay, because I had 2x plus 3x is 5x. Number 2, there was a 1 here. Correct? So 1a plus 5a is 6a. 6a plus 3a is 9a. The next one, again we're looking for like terms. One of 2 things I do. I either group the like terms or I write like terms next to each other. So what's 6x plus 1x? 7x. What is 1 plus 3? So the answer is 7x plus 4. Number 4, 11y minus 3y plus 1. 3 plus 5. So 11y minus 3y is 9y. It's 8y. 8y plus 1y is 9y. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 8. The next one. So I'm going to write this here now. This is what I expect you to write. It's going to be 5x plus 7 minus 2x plus 1. Below that you write equal. Okay? So what do we say? 5x and negative 2x is like terms. Not so. They are the same. Can be added. 7 and 1. Okay? So you see, if there's no sign in front of the 5, then what is this? Positive. It will be positive 5. Okay? So you see in front of the x, what sign is in front of the x? Negative. Can you see that? So you must remember that the sign is part of the term. Okay? You guys understand that the sign is part of the term. So what is positive 5x minus 2x? It's going to be 3x. Okay? So we give you 3x. Now you see this 7 is positive. This 1 is positive. So it's going to be 7, positive 7, plus 1. What's 7 plus 1? 8. Do not get confused with that minus. Can you see that? Many learners get confused that they say it's going to be 7 minus 1. No. The 1 is positive. So it's going to be 7 plus 1, which is 8. Who got that right? What did you get?
3x minus 6.
So where you get the minus from? From the 2. Okay, so you are one of those students. Okay, that I was talking about. Okay? Yes, Michael, where did you go wrong?
So I said 7x plus
7x? So how do you get, so you gain 5x plus 2x, but that is a negative. You understand? So you must minus. Okay? Otherwise, if you're finding this difficult to understand, then what you do is you just add an extra step. You say it's going to be 5x minus 2x plus 7. Where am I going to get that plus from? From here. I get that minus from there. Plus 1. I write the like terms next to each other. So what is 5x minus 2x? 3x. 7 plus 1? You see, it's an extra step, but some people will find it much easier to understand. You all okay with that? But you see, the method I use often is I just group the like terms, okay? Because I'm like you guys, a bit lazy, no? So I try to do as least as possible, okay? So I just group the like terms as I do in this case here, this first case. Okay, but like I say, if you that kind of go like writing and all of those things, write it over, write the like terms next to each other, and then you can subtract it. If you understand it like it. Okay. Let's carry on. So this answer was for 3x plus 8. For number 6, what's x plus x plus x? 3x. Who got 3x? What did you get, Michael? Go for it.
So I added an extra x.
You got 4 x's.
No, sir. Not like that, but yes.
So your answer was 4x. So you have okay. So the answer is 3x. There's a 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. X plus x is 3x. Nice. Let's look at the next one. Number 7. You got 5a plus a plus b plus 2b. Again, we're going to group the like terms, not so. So 5a is a like term to a and a, not so. B is a like term to 2b. Right, so the girl in the first row, right at the back, what's your answer? 7a plus 3b. Who got that right? Well, what did you write extra this time?
I didn't count properly.
Sorry?
I didn't count properly, sir.
Didn't count properly. But you wrote down the sum properly this time. Okay, so what was your answer?
6a plus 3b.
Because you counted the a short. No? Okay, fine. In the future, please make sure you count it properly. Okay. So this subject is about counting. Let's look at number 8. You got 4a plus 6b plus 3 plus 9a minus 3b. Okay. The second row, you're in front. 13a plus 3b plus 10. 2. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Come in. Then you guys can eat?
I'm the 16 class. You're supposed to see me sometime.
Have a seat. So who got that answer right? What did you get, Michael? In front? Yes?
16a plus 8.
16a
Plus 8.
plus 8b. How you get 16a? You must remember, if you group like terms, 4a and 9a is like terms. Not so. 6b and minus 3b. 3 and negative 1. Those are like terms. You know that? No? You didn't know that?
Well, I did know that. I didn't write it.
You didn't write it. Or what you could have done was, and you made an error before here, no? in this exercise. Was this the first mistake you made? Okay, it's fine. No? We'll check now. Otherwise, you could have also done was 4a plus 9a plus 6b minus 3b plus 3 minus 1. Can you see what am I doing is, I'm writing the like terms one next to the other. So what's 4a plus 9a? 13a. What is 6b minus 3b? 3b. What is 2 plus 2 minus 1? 2. Okay? If you find that easier, people, use it. Okay? So this is, what's the answer again? 13a plus 3b plus 2. Okay. Let's look at number 9. Right, next. Yeah, you next. Yes, you also get a chance. 3p plus 1 plus 4q. You're right. That right? Who says not right? Right. Behind the second person from the back, what do you have?
I have 9p plus
9p. There we go. 9p plus?
4q. No.
Yes?
4q plus
4q plus
1.
1. Okay. So hang on. People, would you all agree that 3p plus 4q plus 1 is the same as that there? You all agree with that, no? And also 1 plus 4q plus 3p is the same as that, right? No? Which is the same as 1 plus 3p plus 4q. You all agree with that? Okay. Now coming back to that girl that said the answer should have been 9p. Okay? So you're saying that 6p, that one and that one are like terms. Not so. 6p minus and 6p and negative 3p are like terms. 4 and negative 3. 5q and negative q is like terms. So what is 6 minus 3? Okay, then she realized it should have been 3. Which makes Sarah correct. No? Isra. Alright. Who else got the sum wrong? Right, what did you get? So what was your answer?
I had 5p plus 4q.
5p plus 4q. So you actually took the 6p, the 4, the 3q, negative 3q and the negative 3 all together. You can't do that. Because this 4 and this negative 3 are constants. They are a term without a variable. Only the constants can be added together. Whilst the like terms can only be added together. Hence, I would suggest you do the following. You actually do what I told you to do earlier on, which is to rewrite the sum first. And you'll see it won't stay forever. You do it until you are comfortable with it. And you can then lose it, okay? So you first write 6p minus 3p plus 4 minus 3 plus 5q minus q. Now you say, okay, 6p minus 3p is 3p. 4 minus 1 is 1. 5q minus q is 4q. You understand? So make that there. Okay. So the answer here is 3p plus 1 plus 4q. Okay. Any other? Somebody else who got? Anybody else that got the sum wrong? That had a different answer? Yes. What did you get? Plus 2q plus 4. Oh, you wrote down the sum wrong. Okay. Anybody else? Yes. Sorry. Your hand is not up. My glasses must be lying to me. Okay. We carry on with our lives. So now we're looking at the second half of this year. Okay. So we got 2x squared plus x plus 3x plus 3x squared minus 1. Okay. So if you look at 2x squared plus x plus 3x plus 3x squared minus 1. 2x squared is a like term to what? 3x squared. X and x squared are not like terms. You understand? Okay. X is a like term to 3x. And minus 1 is standing on its own. Not so? Right. Do the sum quickly. Did you do the whole? Did I tell you to do the whole work? Huh? No. Sorry? 1 to 7.
1 to 17.
Did I say you must do all? Okay, it's fine, man. You see, it's a mistake. It's a mistake. No? So leave her. For those of you who did it, you just wait fast. That's it. But we're not going. Because I remember yesterday I only told you 1 to 7. 1 to 9 because you guys were having problems. So I didn't give you too much of the work because you were having problems. Now you didn't get, you made mistakes in the exercise already, not so. Now you check where you went wrong. Or do you think you got all that sums right? Now check. Don't put your head down. As if you're done. Girlfriend, it doesn't matter what she said. It doesn't matter. Yes. Okay. Mika. Right, we wait for you, no? We're waiting for you. You must also get the chance. Everybody must get the chance. Where's your maths book, Michael? Why are you working on the pad? Whose fault is that? Right, Michael, talk to me. No, try. So it was straight on the board. What is 3x squared plus 3x squared? 4. Okay, let's rewrite it. We rewrite it, what's going to be? 2x squared plus 3x squared plus x plus 3x minus 1. So those two go together. So what is 2x squared plus 3x squared? Sorry? Two plus 3? 5? People are caught here. Give her a chance. What is x plus 3x? 4x, yes? And the negative 1. Okay, it is written down. Who got that one right? Go for it. Where did you go wrong? But you bother yourself with everything else. Okay. Now let's do number 11. I'll give you a chance to do number 11 quickly. And the girl that said I've done it, I just spoke to you earlier on. I said, not everybody done the work. So give everybody a chance. Okay. Okay, the girl behind me, go. Yes?
Oh, yeah.
What's your answer?
I got 9x plus 2xy.
Is that right? Who got that answer? You got that answer now. Nice. It's right. Okay, for those of you who got it wrong, what did you guys get? What did you get? Yes.
Oh, I got it right.
Oh my word.
I was so busy doing it. Wow.
Okay, if you got it right, just put up your hand. Listen, if you didn't get it right, I must ask you so that I can make sense of where you went wrong and explain to you where you went wrong. Now don't, when your hand doesn't go up and I ask you and you say, oh no, I got it right. Who got the sum right? Kyle, what's her name? Kyra. You got it right. Okay. Okay, who got the sum wrong? Okay. Who's still busy with number 12? Can I answer number 12? Who's still busy with number 12? Just by a show of hands. Okay, I'll give you a minute. Okay, who's next? Blessing? Bless us with the answer.
It's 8x squared
8x squared
plus 3.
plus 3. Now what did I tell you, Michael? I told you, although you did it, you must redo it. Or check where you went wrong. Did you do that? You didn't do that. Okay? So listen to me, Michael. No? When I ask you to do something, you please do it. Okay, it's for your own benefit. Okay. Because why? In the previous sum you made the same mistake as you're making here. Okay, not 11, but sums prior to this. That is why I told you, check again. Okay? But anyway, x squared is a like term to which term here? None. So that stands on its own. Okay, like if you got 2, if you got x and x is 2, then you will have 2. However, x squared will be 2 squared, which is 4. You see that? Therefore, that x can't be the same as 4. Can you see 2 can't be the same as 4? So x is not a like term with x squared. Okay. So although the variable both has x's, but because of that square there, it's making it unlike terms. You understand? It's not the same. It's like having naartjies and oranges. Can you see? It might look the same, but they're not the same. No? Okay. So x squared is on its own. 3x is a like term to 4x. 2 is a like term to? You see that? Now what is it, Michael? Give a chance, yes? 1?
Where?
It is just x squared, yes? Yes, or 1x squared, yeah? Not just 1. 3x plus 4x absolutely is 7x. Plus 2 plus this. Who got that right? Divine, where did you go wrong?
You know my name.
Yes, because the Kalmus brought your name badge. You're not looking after your things.
Anyways, I made the same mistake
As Christ. I mean, blessing. You see, no? When I try and remember you guys' names, you laugh at me. That is why I don't remember you. Okay. So don't be like blessing. Okay. Right. We'll carry on with our lives. Right. Do number 13 quickly. Number 13. What's wrong? Huh? I'm telling you, you guys are underage. Hey! Well, I think I was moving away from the window. Huh? Hey. Okay. Alright, who's next? What's your name, Michael? Ilham. Alright, go for it. So busy. Okay, we'll keep that sound for you. We'll carry on. Right, who's behind Ilham? Yes, Michael? 14 here. The lam is 30.
Okay. 2m squared plus
2m squared plus
4m
4m.
plus 7.
Hey, you guys don't want to listen.
No? It's wrong.
Yes?
I said 6.
Who got a different answer to that? Put up your hand. What did you get?
2m squared plus 8m plus 7.
Okay. Who got a different answer to what's on the board? Yes?
I said 6m squared plus 7.
Plus 7. You the same as Blessing? Yes? The person who gave this answer, who was that? You did your homework yesterday? This time yesterday? No. Okay. This is correct. Okay. However, let's relax. It's fine. Listen. M squared is a like term to what? M squared. Okay. Is m squared and 6m the same? No. So that is why you can't add the m and m squared. And that's how you got 6 here. You understand, Michael, where you're going wrong? It's not the same. So that one's out. Then, this one here, you got 10 and a minus 3. So remember, m squared plus m squared is 2m squared. That's fine. 6m, what is the sign on this 2m? Negative. So it's actually 6m minus 2m. Combine. So it's going to be 4. Okay? And the constant wasn't the issue this time. Right. You got it now? Did you get it right? What did you get, Michael?
2m squared plus 8m
Plus 8m. Oh, you like the same answer as the one I cancelled out. But just remember, man, that 2m is negative. Just note that 2 is negative. And what did I say earlier on? The sign is part of the term. Okay, so what's that? Right, Ilam, you are ready for us? Yes, he's ready. Nice. Number 13. You said 3x cubed plus 7. That is correct. Who got that answer? Yes, just go, please. You cry in the ball, I'm going to cry here. So huh? Right, what did you get, Divine's friend?
So I got 7x squared
7x squared?
minus 2x cubed plus 7.
Okay. So, check this. Check on your page, is it 5x cubed or 5x squared? On your page.
Squared, sir.
That's your mistake. That would have been right if that had to be 5x squared. Then that answer would have been correct. Okay? But it was not that. Listen, it's only Mika is going to become a maths teacher. So you can't make up your own sums. Only Mika can make up. Huh? So a maths teacher can make up their own sums. And then the student must also answer the sum. No? Right. But people, you guys understand?
Yes.
Alright, looks like we're getting somewhere in this lesson today, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Oh my word. What's wrong with Oneka? Right. 3x squared plus 4xy plus 2x plus x squared plus 2xy. Right, who's next? Right?
3x squared
Takira Lala and Mishka Ray Naidu, can you please report to the office? Takira Lala and Mishka Ray Naidu, please report to the office.
Who got that answer right? Huh? Plus x squared. Okay, nice. Which is? You could have added in the same time.
Yeah.
Which is?
X squared plus 6xy.
Right, who got that as an answer? Nice. You see, when you're not here, everybody is with us. I'm only joking, eh? Right, let's do this. The bell rang. Let's just wrap this up. You got 3ab plus 5ab plus ba. Who's next? Right here in front. Divine. What's your answer?
Okay, for number 16.
16.
8ab plus ba.
Who got that right? Wrong. You all got that wrong. Listen. Hello. Wait. Shh. AB can also be written. Oh wait. BA can also be written as AB.
Oh, but it's a whole
I told you. Listen. Relax. Listen. Relax your bones, Michael. Unnecessary excitement. No? Listen. So this, in other words, is going to be 3AB plus 5AB plus AB, which is 9AB. So it's going to be 8AB plus BA, which is 9AB. The last one, number 17, is 12xy minus 5xy plus 4yx. Right, who's next? Go for it. Yeah, right. Who got 11xy? Nice. It's correct. People for homework. So, this comes from a different textbook. There are 10 sums here I want you guys to look at. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take a photo of this and send it to the group. Okay. However, this changes. That becomes a plus. This becomes a plus and a plus. No, not everything's plus. Don't be so lazy. Just hang on. It's a plus, 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 no guys, you just want to do little, okay?
So you're going to send the PDF like that when I go.
Now I'll send a photo of it, okay? People enjoy the rest of your day. Good afternoon class and the weekend. When you come back on Tuesday, we're going to give you a little test, okay? On what we've done thus far. Enjoy the long weekend. I don't do Easter. Pickle fish I do, yes? Bye.
No, I'm saying
Bye. Yeah. Bye. Yes? Lay by. How do you mean lay by?
I want to lay